Ito po yung 5 points ng health card benefits ng National Healthcare Shield. So ito po ay para sa mga principal enrollees must be between 18 and 65 years old. Kaya napakaganda po nito. Kasi kadalasan yung mga HMO hanggang 60 years old. Pero dito sa Group HMO, sa Kaiser National Healthcare Shield, hanggang 65 years old. So number 1 na 5 points health card benefits ay preventive healthcare. So ano nga ba yung preventive healthcare? Ito yung pangangalaga natin sa kalusugan para maiwasan natin yung sakit. So meron tayong annual physical examination, o ito yung tinatawag na APE. So merong complete blood count, urine analysis, fecalysis, chest x-ray, electrocardiogram, para yan sa adult age 40 and above or if prescribed. Tapos may pap smear para sa mga babae age 40 and above or if prescribed. Tapos number 2 ay inpatient care. Ano yung inpatient care? So ano yung inpatient care? Ito yung kapag tayo ay na-hospital or na-admit or na-confine. So dapat handa tayo. So meron tayong semi-private room up to Health 800, operating room and recovery room up to maximum benefit limit, administered medicine up to maximum benefit limit, ICU confinement up to maximum benefit limit, X-ray and laboratory examination. Ano po? Number 3, outpatient care. Ano yung outpatient care? Ito yung pagpapacheck up o consultation. So kailangan natin yan para malaman natin kung ano yung mga nararamdaman natin. So ito po ay meron tayong referral to specialist, regular consultation and treatment, laboratory and X-ray examination, treatment of minor injuries and surgery not requiring confinement. Tapos ito din yung sa eye, ear, nose, and throat treatment. Pang-apat, emergency care. So ibig sabihin nito, if meron tayong mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari, so merong emergency care. So kailangan natin yan dahil hindi naman natin inaasahan yung mga emergency na dumadating. So meron tayong physician services, medicine, utilized during treatment or for immediate relief, cast, dressing, and suture, cast, dressing and sutures, oxygen and intravenous, X-ray, laboratory, and other diagnostic examination directly related to the emergency management of the patient. Tapos, meron din tayong pang-5 ay dental care. So, pangangalaga sa ating ngipin. So, kailangan din natin yan. So, consultation and dental examination, dental nutrition and dietary counseling, dental nutrition and dietary counseling, dental health education, restorative and prosthodontic planning, simple tooth extraction, temporary filling, unlimited, as needed, annual prophylaxis, mild cases only, simple tooth adjustment of dentures, recementation of loose crowns, inlays, and onlays, permanent filling of two surface only. At may plus bonus tayo na financial care assistance. Ayan po, pagka natural death, meron tayong 10,000 na makukuha ang pamilya. Accidental death, 20,000. Loss of both hands, 10,000. Loss of both feet, 10,000. Loss of both side, 10,000. Loss of one hand and one foot, 10,000. Loss of one hand and one side, 10,000. Loss of one foot and one side, 10,000. Loss of one hand or one foot, 5,000. Loss of sight of one eye, 5,000. Para po to sa mga principal only. Ano po? Tapos, tayo po ay merong semi-private room up to 800 pesos only. Tapos, 7,000 po ang annual premium. Ano po? 7,000. Ito po yung ito po yung medical allowance, annual premium. Tapos, ang maganda dito sa Kaiser National Healthcare Shield, 75,000 maximum benefit limit per illness. Ibig sabihin niyan, kapag ikaw ay may hika, di meron kang 75,000 na magagamit kapag ikaw ay na-confine. Kung ikaw ay may diabetes, another 75,000 din yan. Kung ikaw ay may sakit sa puso, another 75,000 yan. Kung ang per illness mo umabot ng 10, edi may bawat 75,000 ka na magagamit. Kaya yan ang napakaganda sa Kaiser National Healthcare Shield. Maximum benefit limit per illness. Ano po? So, wag naman sana na umabot ng 10 yung per illness natin. So, hindi naman natin gusto yun. Pero ang maganda dyan, meron tayong madudukot agad-agad. Hindi tayo basta mangungutang or mababaon sa utang. Ano po? So, ito yung major hospital ni Kaiser na accredited. Makati Medical Center, St. Luke Medical Center, The Medical City, Chongchua Hospital, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Asian Hospital Medical Center, Cebu Doctors Hospital, UC Medical Hospital. Ano po? Ito po ay para sa edad na 18 to 65 years old sa mga government employees. Ano po? So mag-message lang po kayo. So sino ba yung mga eligible? Government and personnel employed within the national government agency, including SCU and GOCC, regardless of appointment status, whatever regular, casual, or contractual, appointive, or elective, and on full-time or part-time basis. So the group applicant must have an authorized or designated signatory representing their respective government institution, office, agency. There is no minimum number of members required for enrollment. However, the entire agency or department must participate if they choose to enroll to avoid anti-selection. All applicants will be subject to underwriting guidelines and approval. So in compliance with the budget circular number 2024-6 issued December 12, 2024 by the Department of Budget and Management. Ano pa, mag-message lang po kayo sa FB ko, Nilo Padrilan. Mag-comment lang po kayo kung kayo po ay interesado at para mag-guide po namin kayo. Thank you for watching po.